Hello and welcome to Catering 1. We are so excited that you have taken our course and we are excited to learn and engage with you throughout the next 9 weeks of our quarter. So this presentation is just to give you a little bit of an idea of what to expect for catering. All right. So obviously we are in a remote setting, so our course has changed just a little bit. But if we go back to in person, it will just make for a more hands-on experience. So this is an advanced culinary class, so you should have had culinary basics, pastry and cuisine, or you're in pastry or cuisine right now. And our overall goal is to prepare food for events. We cater all school events, community events, public events, meetings, etc. Obviously, because of everything going on and we are remote, we are not catering events right now. We hope to do them when we do return. It will be a little different than what we've done in the past, but we are ready for the challenge and the tests or the task of it. So what will you be doing during this remote setting? You will be designing menus. We will prepare you and plan for events that we hope to do when we return. And then you will be visually seeing advanced culinary skills and have the opportunity to do some hands-on stimulation. But there is alternatives since we are in the remote setting. Our class is currently set up as modules, so you would work your way through the modules. We have safety and sanitation, which you will also be earning certification. Right now in the remote setting, as you would if we were in seat, we will prepare you for different types of live and catering events. We have a module on careers in hospitality, and then we will be talking about advanced plate presentation and techniques around that. So the learning outcomes, what do we want you to get out of this? Explore advanced culinary techniques, both hands-on and through video demonstrations, live demonstrations. Identify and provide for a variety of catering events at Leiden. Again, our goal is to do that as soon as we get back to in person, but it will look different this year. Research some hospitality careers, and when I use the word research, kind of more so explore, and then practice advanced plate presentation techniques. All right. So, thank you.